Learn in this video how to achieve top 1% health. Part 1. Why do we actually need to achieve 1% health? Part 2. What is stopping us from achieving top 1% health? What is the complete solution to achieve it? You know, sometimes I sit and think, why do most people never feel truly alive? We chase money, we chase success, but somewhere in between, we forget the one thing that makes it all possible: our health. I'm not talking about just not being sick. I'm talking about waking up in the morning and actually feeling powerful, feeling grateful that your body still carries you forward. Most of us accept being okay. We say, I'm fine. But inside, we're tired, we're drained. We've lost that spark. You see, being fine is just another word for slowly fading. The truth is, 99% of people don't even realize what their body is capable of because nobody told them that energy is the real wealth. You can have everything: a great job, a car, followers, whatever. But if your health breaks down, everything stops. But imagine, just imagine for a second, waking up with clear thoughts, a strong body, and a calm mind. You look in the mirror and feel proud, not because of how you look, but because you earned that glow. That's what it means to be in the top 1%. It's not about flexing, it's about freedom. The freedom to live without fear of disease. The freedom to do what you love and keep doing it for decades. I know, the world doesn't make it easy. Fast food, late nights, constant stress. It's like the system is designed to keep you weak, but you are not born to just survive. You were born to thrive. So, if you're watching this, I want you to stop for a second, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, what if my health became my first priority? Starting today? Because once you decide, once you truly commit to becoming your best self, your body, your mind, and your entire life start aligning. That's the real power of the top 1% health. This isn't motivation, this is your biology, waiting to be unlocked. Let's dive deeper. You know what's crazy? Most people want to be healthy, but the world around them doesn't want that. Every time you try to eat clean, an ad pops up for fast food. Every time you plan to rest, your phone keeps buzzing with notifications. It's not your lack of willpower, it's the environment. You live in a system that profits when you stay tired, when you stay sick, when you stay distracted. And the saddest part? We've accepted it as normal. Energy drinks instead of sleep. Pills instead of patience. Shortcuts instead of solutions. You're told you're lazy if you rest. You're told you're weak if you say you're not okay. But no, you're human. You were never designed to live under constant stress, fake food, and endless comparison. That's why 99% of people lose the battle. Not because they're broken, but because they've been trapped. Trapped in habits that drain life. Trapped in routines that kill joy. But once you see the trap, you can step out of it. Because the moment you take back control, the moment you stop feeding the system that feeds on your weakness, that's when the healing begins. And that's when you start becoming the 1%. The ones who take full responsibility for their health, their energy, and their future. No excuses, no shortcuts, just truth. So, what's the solution? It's not a secret pill. It's not a miracle powder. The solution is inside you. Your body already knows how to heal. You just have to give it what it needs. Rest, real food, movement, sunlight, and peace. Healing starts when you remove what's killing your energy, not when you add more chemicals to hide the pain. Eat foods that grow from the earth, not from factories. Move like your body was built to move. Sleep like your life depends on it. Because it does. You see, health isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. When your body, your mind, and your actions work together, that's when you stop chasing health, and health starts chasing you. I've seen people come back from diseases doctors called impossible, not because of magic, but because of truth, discipline, and faith in nature. And you can do it too. You just need the right guide, the right blueprint to follow. And that's why this channel exists, to help you find the real path back to yourself. If you truly want to heal your body, not just cover symptoms, and you want a full blueprint step by step to reverse your disease naturally, DM me on Instagram, link in description. You can request your personal healing video or your private health PDF guide made just for your condition. And if you just want to learn more about natural healing and long-term energy, hit like and subscribe, because this channel is going to change how you see health forever. Remember, only a person who's been through pain can guide others through it. And I'm here, not as a doctor with a title, but as someone who healed himself and now wants to help you do the same. Stay strong, stay awake, stay natural.